Nilagyan mo na ng protector. Pati
Yeah.
nga ako, sir, ng color picture. Para,
It was like crazy gray. I was thinking like that gray. So like even when the black grows out, it still looks really cool. And just come back to you like every 2 months to like touch it up, right?
correct. Pero ito, nag-grow lang talaga yung black.
Yeah, yeah. It just basically grew out, right?
Ano muna tayo? Full gray lang.
Yeah, full gray for now.
Okay. Sige, patimpla ko lang, ha?
No worries.
Okay, sige. Let's go. Pag sulfate free.
So feel free every day.
Now, pag ganitong mga special color, every other day yung washing.
Okay, every other day.
Kasama ka doon.
And then the anti-yellow shampoo.
Okay, so kunwari, Monday. So, no washing. Tuesday, sulfate-free shampoo.
Okay.
Pwede mong isama doon yung leave-on. May leave-on yan eh.
Alright.
It will serve parang protection at the same time. Styling na rin siya. At the
Alright.
same time, it's moisturizing. Leave-on meaning hindi mo na kailangan i-rinse.
Yeah.
So, sulfate-free shampoo and leave-on. After that, Wednesday, no wash ulit. Thursday, sulfate-free, then leave-on. Friday, no wash. Sabado, anti-yellow.
Alright. I get you.
And then, Sunday, no wash ulit.
And then you just
Pero,
do the same cycle again every week.
paulit-ulit lang yun.
I love it, bro. It's awesome.
Ngayon, ang advantage mo nito, pag nag-fade yan, parang namumuti lang siya.
Yeah.
So, nagiging platinum siya. Okay pa rin.
Yeah.
Now, once na maglagay ka ng anti-yellow, mapapansin mo, mas parang nagiging rich yung, what they call this, yung parang silver niya.
Alright.
Kasi it removes yung mga yellow pigment, which is natural yon
Yeah.
sa buhok nating mga Asian.
Actually, I can't wait for a little black to grow out. So it's gonna be like black and gray, right?
Maganda yan. Kasi magiging itsura niyan, yung tips nung, di ba, may black dito.
Yeah, exactly.
Yung tips magiging parang highlight.
Yeah, exactly.
Yan. Pero lahat yon nagdumaan lang din dito yon.
Yeah. And then if I grow it out, like how often do I come back to like retouch it? Every 2 months? Every 3 months?
Start tayo siguro ng 3 buwan.
3
Para
months?
naman sulit.
Yeah.
Ngayon, after 3 months, kung okay pa sa tingin mo, edi, go lang.
Just get a
Rampa mo
trim
lang,
from you,
oh.
yeah.
So, dito mo lang, trim ko lang
Yeah.
dito. 3 months, mahaba na yan dito. So, brush up na yung style mo yan. Ganito ba lagi ang length na gusto mo?
I can go a bit longer. I'm doing like that little mohawk thing, right? So you can
Okay
grow
lang
it out a
kahit
bit.
longer,
Yeah.
no? Tama lang. At pakita natin yung likod.
It was awesome.
Ganda ng linis.
Yeah, it came out
Kita ba?
fantastic.
Fora lang ang pangalaga, ha?
Yeah, for life.
Ay, pwede. Hashtag Fora for life.
I know, right?
Pwede. Thank you, bro.
No, it's fantastic. You guys did an awesome job, man.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Okay na, direct. Thank you.